Let's start with the first sentence, guys. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel. तुम सच को झुठला नहीं सकते. You can't falsify the truth. You can't falsify the truth. उसने मुझे साफ मना कर दिया. He flatly refused me. He flatly refused me. क्या तुम यहाँ किसी को जानते हो? Do you know anyone here? Do you know anyone here? पहली बार मैंने खाना बनाया. The first time I cooked food. The first time I cooked food. वो अपनी आदत से मजबूर है. He is compelled by his habit. He is compelled by his habit. ट्रेन 2 घंटे लेट है. The train is 2 hours late. The train is 2 hours late. तुमने मेरे मन की बात कह दी. You spoke out my mind. You spoke out my mind. ट्रेन आने ही वाली है. The train is about to arrive. The train is about to arrive. कुछ खाने के लिए ले लो. Get something to eat. Get something to eat. मुझे अपने आप पे शर्म आती है. I am ashamed of myself. I am ashamed of myself. मैं तुम्हें लेने आ रहा हूँ. I am coming to pick you up. I am coming to pick you up. अब मैं काफ़ी बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I am feeling much better now. I am feeling much better now. वो मुझसे काफ़ी बड़ी है. She is much older than me. She is much older than me. अब तुम बच्चे नहीं हो. You are not a child anymore. You are not a child anymore. तुमने फिर वही गलती की है. You have made the same mistake again. You have made the same mistake again. आप यहाँ कब तक रुकेंगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? वो मुझसे मिलने आई थी. She came to see me. She came to see me. उसने मुझे 1 घंटे तक इंतज़ार करवाया. She made me wait for an hour. She made me wait for an hour. वो कभी मेरी नहीं सुनता. He never listens to me. He never listens to me. मुझे आइसक्रीम खाने का मन हो रहा है. I feel like having ice cream. I feel like having ice cream. हम दोनों वहाँ जा रहे हैं. Both of us are going there. Both of us are going there. तुम मेरी बात क्यों नहीं सुनते? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? क्या तुमने वो मूवी देखी है? Have you seen that movie? Have you seen that movie? आगे एक गड्ढा है. There is a pit ahead. There is a pit ahead. वो इसके बारे में सब कुछ जानता है. He knows all about it. He knows all about it. तुम कितनी भाषाएं बोल लेते हो? How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? थोड़ा मुझे भी दो. Give me some as well. Give me some as well. मुझे लगता है मैंने तुम्हें पहले देखा है. I think I have seen you before. I think I have seen you before. मैं घर कैसे जाऊंगा? How will I go home? How will I go home? वो यहाँ क्या कर रही है? What is she doing here? What is she doing here? मुझे इस सब से बचा लो सुधीर. Save me from all of this सुधीर. Save me from all of this. पता लगाओ ये किसका नंबर है. Find out whose number this is. Find out whose number this is. मैंने ऐसा कोई लेटर नहीं लिखा है. I have written no such letter. I have written no such letter. ये कहाँ से आया? Where did this come from? Where did this come from? तुम कुछ कहते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you say something? Why don't you say something? ध्यान रखना उसे तुम पर शक ना हो. Make sure he doesn't suspect you. Make sure he doesn't suspect you. अगर तुम नहीं समझोगे तो कौन समझेगा? If you don't understand, who will? If you don't understand, who will? तुम कब आए? When did you come? तुम कब आए? When did you come? ये बच्चा बड़ा प्यारा लगता है. This child looks very lovely. This child looks very lovely. मेरा इरादा तुम्हें दुख पहुंचाना नहीं है. I don't mean to hurt you. I don't mean to hurt you. क्या तुम कभी रांची गए हो? Have you ever been to Ranchi? Have you ever been to Ranchi? मैं इस जगह से परिचित नहीं हूँ. I am not familiar with this place. I am not familiar with this place. कल दोपहर कैसा रहेगा? How about tomorrow afternoon? How about tomorrow afternoon? तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? मुझे बस एक लैपटॉप की ज़रूरत है. All I need is a laptop. All I need is a laptop. हम इसे अंग्रेजी में कैसे कहते हैं? How do we say this in English? How do we say this in English? क्या मैं खिड़की के बगल में बैठ सकता हूँ? Can I sit next to the window? Can I sit next to the window? क्या आपके पास ये साइज 9 में है? Do you have this in size 9? Do you have this in size 9? मैं अंधेरा होने से पहले वापस आ जाऊंगा. I'll be back before dark. I will be back before dark. मुझे ये जोक पढ़ के सुनाना. Read out the joke to me. Read out the joke to me. क्या तुमको ये मजाक लगता है? Do you find it funny? क्या तुमको ये मजाक लगता है? Do you find it funny? आप हमेशा यही कहते हैं. This is what you always say. This is what you always say. मुझे सब समझ आ गया है. I have understood everything. I have understood everything. तुम वापस कब आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? तुमने किससे पूछा? Whom did you ask? Whom did you ask? मैं दूसरे दिन आऊँगा. I will come another day. I'll come another day. मैं 2 दिन बाद जाऊँगा. I will go after 2 days. I will go after 2 days. क्या तुमने कभी पांडा देखा है? Have you ever seen a panda? Have you ever seen a panda? वो आज अमेरिका से वापस आया. He came back from America today. He came back from America today. ये एक्सीडेंट कैसे हुई? How did the accident happen? How did the accident happen? बिरयानी का स्वाद कैसा है? How does the biryani taste? How does the biryani taste? मैं उस बारे में पक्का श्योर नहीं हूँ. I am not quite sure about that. I am not quite sure about that. मैं इसे सुबह करूँगा. I will do it in the morning. I will do it in the morning. तुम्हें पैसे क्यों चाहिए? Why do you need money? Why do you need money? तुम्हें कौन सा कलर चाहिए? Which color do you want? Which color do you want? ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It is beyond my capacity. It is beyond my capacity. क्या वे आज आ रहे हैं? Are they coming today? Are they coming today? फलों में बीज होते हैं. Fruits have seeds in them. Fruits have seeds in them. क्या तुमने अभी तक लंच किया है? Have you eaten lunch yet? Have you eaten lunch yet? वो क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए पैदा हुआ था. He was born to play cricket. He was born to play cricket. मानवता दिन ब दिन मर रही है. Humanity is dying day by day. Humanity is dying day by day. Oh wow, you have completed all these sentences. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, then I'll suggest to check out the playlist on this channel. You will find more videos like this. Thank you again. Subscribe this channel, like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.